Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so we're in kind of in the suburbs. So basically, we're near. I just left San Gabriel, and I'm going to be driving towards Monterey Park. So this is basically the suburbs of Los Angeles, and the reason I'm going to be filming it is I just want to show some of this area. One of the things you're going to notice right away is most of the places have some Chinese characters. Places in this area, and I think Monterey Park, which is where we're going to be coming up on, is one of the largest Chinese communities percentage-wise in the world. So basically, with the camera, I just put it on the side, so we'll see how long it stays. It doesn't stay very long, I guess. Okay, so I'm going to do part 2. I'm still trying to figure out this camera. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it here. So I'm in Monterey Park, and this is to see how long that camera will stay. And I basically just came across over to a suburban more area. You can kind of see some of these houses too. And in a minute I'm going to be taking a left on the main road, and we're going to go into Monterey Park. And you'll be able to see, basically it's a pretty large Chinese community. I think it's pretty interesting. So, okay. And it's a Sunday morning right now. It's May 26th, I think. Sunday morning, and it's 8:50 in the morning. So this is, I think we're in Vietnamese over there. Let's see, officially we are going towards Monterey Park. I think right now we're in Rosemead. And I think this is basically, this whole little valley is pretty much mostly Chinese and some Vietnamese. Getting a non-walking view. Basically what I did to the camera is I just put it up there and I secured it so that it's locked in place. So basically you're probably going to be hearing me talk and basically showing Monterey Park for the moment. I'll go to some other neighborhoods too, so I'll try to do some narrative and talking while I'm doing it. So, but yeah, basically Monterey Park. I think the last sentence, which was 2010, and right now it's 2019. So there'll be a new one coming up pretty soon. I think it was 60% of it was Chinese in Monterey Park. 60% alone was Chinese, and then that doesn't even take into account of the other Asian ethnicities that might be mixed in, Vietnamese or otherwise. So I've been kind of, just for a little bit of background about myself, I've been living in Asia for since 1996, and it's 2019 right now, and this camera is filming this, and so basically I spent a lot of time in Asia. So sometimes I think if I want to go back to the United States, you know, maybe I'd want to be somewhere where I can at least have access to things from Asia and food and some of the culture and things like that. So right now I'm living in Macau, but also in Japan and Korea. So that's part of the reason that I was interested in filming in an area that's to my right. You can't see that. I don't want to move the camera around because it's securely placed in the window. But there's a lot of shopping mall plazas. You can see them on the left now too. see some of the people walking around, mostly Chinese. I saw what I think is Mexican, maybe it could be Guatemala or Honduras or more people walking around, but it's very suburban. It's all the commercial and then kind of typical American with probably mostly residential. It looks like it's mostly residential. Just on the other side of this busy street, right? Everything is zoned in the United States. And I think I might be probably going to be driving right out of Monterey Park in a minute. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try to drive briefly down a residential area just so that the viewer who might be interested can see it. So we're coming up on the Alhambra Road. Well, if we're on Alhambra Road, that means that we're not quite in Monterey Park yet. Right now I'm driving down West Garvey. It looks like I have to turn on South Garfield coming up pretty soon. I guess for the camera's sake, to the left you see Paragon Motors, which is written in Chinese. And I guess what I'll do is I'll try to turn left so that I go directly into Monterey Park. Pretty good neighborhood if you're Chinese, because everything is in Chinese and you'd feel quite comfortable here. I think I'd feel comfortable here myself, actually. So yeah, officially Monterey Park. So now I can see some signs that says Lincoln Avenue and then it says Monterey Park underneath it. You'll be able to see it right now to the left. There we go. So yeah, last night I stayed at a hotel, just arrived in the airport. As an aside, when I went to get the rental car last night at 1:30 in the morning, someone had just stolen a car out of Easy Advantage car rental place. So the all four tires were shredded, and I guess they were trying to run on the rims, and then apparently there's like two people that tried to steal it, and one ran away and the other was caught. So yeah, welcome to Los Angeles. And I was listening to the radio, and there was somebody who just got a home invasion, so they were the radio station's trying to help them out. So yeah, I don't know. It's feels like welcome to the United States. Welcome home. So next street is going to be oh, it's actually this street right now. I guess I can get in there. Just barely. So this is the heart of Monterey Park coming up right here. So yeah, I don't know how interesting this video is going to be, but I think you can see, basically you can see half of what I see. Well, 25%. I guess you only see what the camera's focused in on. If I had the camera and I was moving all over the place, I don't think you'd have it. I don't think it'd be a very good video. So I'm just gonna leave it right there like it is. It's actually kind of an interesting neighborhood. I mean, it's like kind of quiet, and people are walking around. There's some density to Los Angeles, that suburban Los Angeles, that is kind of interesting to me. Can't imagine what the prices of Anyways, I think we're gonna be driving out of Monterey Park pretty soon. Yeah, I might have already have driven out of it, so I'm just gonna go a little bit further and see what we see. And then I think I'm gonna turn off the camera. I'm gonna turn it off at the next light, I guess. So yeah, I think actually this is called I think it's called San Gabriel Valley. I think somebody, probably people who are watching this would even know more than I would, because otherwise we'd be watching it. I thought, oh, maybe we should try to live in Los Angeles area. And as I drive around Monterey Park, it looks like it would be pretty easy to live somewhere like this. Or car oriented. I guess a lot of places are getting car oriented anyways. Nice hills, nice trees. What it looks like, so I'm gonna turn off the camera next time I hit a red light, I guess. It's kind of beautiful though, and like the hills kind of dry. Raining today, so I guess that's good for the whole area. Hitting all those green lights, I was hoping to turn off the camera, but it looks like it's going to just keep funneling me towards somewhere else right now, which is okay too. This is all Monterey Park as well. Funny that it could be this close to downtown Los Angeles. So I'll leave it on a little further because now we're coming into something else interesting. Oh, okay. I think we're going to be coming in, if I keep going down this way, later I can take a left and go into East LA. Okay, so now we're going into the city of Montebello. Okay. So turn it off right there, I guess.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da polvilhinha.